Well, I guess we'll do a quick review of the setups for a closing, just because that's more of what I want y'all to take away from everything. So
Okay.
the first thing will be putter face. That's going to be where the ball starts, right? So wherever you aim that putter face, no matter, I mean, I can literally be aimed way over here, but if my putter face is square to the target, I mean, I'm going to get it started on line. So same thing if it's way over here. So, I mean, our stroke's going to usually try to follow our feet, but that's pretty much, the club face is where it's going to all start. Okay, so next is grip, which is also a preference, but we generally want to have it in our lifeline so we can make a consistent stroke, right? All right, so what'd y'all think about all that? What was the biggest, I guess, surprise, or what you learned the most that you didn't really know before?
I never used my pitching wedge.
Yeah.
Chip, never.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty common, is the chipping with pitching wedge. Most people just want to initially grab that 60-degree wedge and flop it on up there.
I learned that you can lay the face down.
Okay. Yeah. That's another thing. I mean, if you just let the club work and do what it's supposed to do, and we talked about bounce as well, right? So basically, but the more you open it up, the more that bounce is going to be useful and pop the ball straight up. So anything else? What about distance control and stuff, as opposed to kind of hitting at it? We just the ball getting away from it.
Yeah, that
Getting in
really
the way of the motion. Yep. And basically, that's what we'll work on next week. Is we'll do bunkers and full swing next week, but that will lead into that, how we're still just rotating. Okay. All right. We'll see you next week. So, in closing today, we learned about how to rotate through the ball and a little bit about ball flight walls using the sticks. Okay. So when we have a feel for that, we can really feel where our misses are and what the cause of those misses are. So if they're starting right and go further right, we have an open face with an open path, or a out to end path, and vice versa if we're hooking the ball. Okay. So next week we'll start with full swing and also work on course management. All right.
sounds good.
So in conclusion with that, usually our best bet when there's trouble is for us to just go ahead and lay up, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily as fun, but when we're trying to make a score, laying up for the handicap situations with the scale that y'all are in is going to be better for that. Okay. So what about for full swing? Some cause and effect for full swing. What happens usually when we come too quick over the top?
Hook a lot of balls.
It starts left and goes further right, or further left, right? All right, so rhythm and tempo are very important, right? Okay, so what else for full swing? Any questions or anything you learned from full swing?
Just the
That's good
pivot.
help.
It helps, I guess, control your swing a little more.
Yeah, exactly. So when you have that pivot and you're just more around the ball, you're just more in control, and you can control tempo and rhythm. Exactly. All right.
You know what I think really helps? Like the week progress that we would do week to week. We
Yeah.
would work on our putts first, so we learn like a strong foundation that week, and we get to work on that all week. And then we come back the next week and like add more to it. Just kind of, it's easier to pick up.
So going from short swing to a little longer to full.
Like
Okay.
week to week progress really helps.
All right. Exactly. Well, I want to thank y'all for coming out and participating in this. Hope y'all learned a few things about it, and it helps improve your game.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for all your
Really
tips.
appreciate it.
You got it.
Enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.
You got it.